So today we are going paragliding and ziplining. So I booked with the company called High Ground Adventures. Booked online, so the paragliding was 4,000 rupees. And so it goes for like half an hour. Yeah, pickups at the hotel. So yeah, I don't know, I haven't really been thinking about it. I don't think it's a scary thing, I think it's more just like really fun. So I'm just waiting to be picked up from my hotel. So we got the 9:30 time slot. I had to pick the earlier one. There was only 2 time slots to choose from because I'm going ziplining at 3 o'clock. Wanted to make sure there was enough time in between. So we've just been picked up. This is our ride. It's like a Jeep. We got the crew, the Nepalese people, I think so, but we got to fill out a form.
When they think, we're gonna...
So we've arrived to the starting point to get to the paragliding. So as you can see, the fog's insane. Visibility is like a B-, whatever. But that was like about a 40-minute drive. So I think we got like a 10-minute trek or something. Oh no, I think it's just down here. I'm not sure what we're doing. So I'm guessing this is a takeoff point here. You can see the paragliding mat things. I don't know where I'm supposed to go. They just sort of left me and said, get out the car. But it's a shame the visibility is so bad, but anyway, should be fun still. So we got the sunglasses on, not for aesthetic reasons, but for safety here. So gotta put our bags back in the truck. This does seem a little unorganized, but whoa, look at that. Got one going up. So I'm not nervous. I don't know if I should be nervous or not.
Hello.
This is our pilot. What's your name?
My name is
Beam. You've done this before, haven't you? No, your first time?
No.
Oh, yes. So we should be safe. We are all suited up, ready to go. Got the kit. Not really nervous. So you can get your guide to do acrobatics, stunts for an extra 1,000. So I went with that option. Hopefully it's worth it. So my pilot was saying it depends on the weather conditions, whether or not they can do the full half an hour. It's pretty foggy. I don't know if that'll affect it. There's no real wind or rain, so hopefully we get the full half an hour experience.
Yes. Stop.
Oh, we stopped there. Okay.
Like same position when I say run.
So we got to walk. He's gonna say walk and then run. You don't have to jump or anything. So seems pretty straightforward. So they're preparing my chute right now. See the eagles, are they? Yeah.
Oh. Man. Whoa. Woo.
Alrighty, so we landed Had a smooth landing, but that was, whoa, that was incredible. That used to like blocked, but well, the first like 10-30 seconds, that's such an amazing experience. Honestly, I don't know, I guess that's how birds feel, but we've done the acrobatics towards the end there. You get a bit dizzy, but oh, that was unbelievable. So that was just some good value there for 4,000 rupees and an extra 1,000 for those acrobatics towards the end there. So that included pick up and drop off. So yeah, paragliding, it's definitely something you have to do once in a lifetime. But yeah, my left ear's like blocked. My pilot's just packing up his chute. It does feel good to be on land. Can get a bit dizzy, but man, that was pretty incredible. Had a big day paragliding, need some energy. Red Soul. Just hiked Mount Everest and need a pick-me-up. Red Soul. This video would not be possible without Red Soul, so it's not like I had the money to do this without Red Soul. I couldn't have done it without him, so just like to thank today's video sponsor, Red Soul. If you want a pack of 12 for half price, just use the discount code down below. That's get after it 76. I repeat, that's get after it 76. Red Soul for all your Nepal adventures. So all wrapped up there with the paragliding. Gonna get some lunch now, head into a joint called Pokhara thakali kitchen. It's like 300 meters from the hotel, so should have some good local food. And then we got the ziplining coming up at 3, so double the adventures today. So we're at Pokhara thakali kitchen. I went with the chicken chili boneless. That's like one of my go-to entrees here, apart from momos. So it was special thakali non-veg, thakali bean soup. So that's what this is here. I'm pretty sure bean soup, rice, dal, 3 types of curry, 2 types of cheese, mutton, fish curry, different types of akar salad, papadgi, dessert, tea and coffee. So looks like a pretty solid like sort of meal with a bit of everything. So I think this is some type of soup obviously. Let's give the soup a taste. That's nice, that's interesting. I haven't tasted anything like that soup. It's hard to describe vegetably, but I don't know, that's good. And we have got our chicken chili. Looks absolutely delicious. It's like the better version of honey chicken, lemon chicken. Look at that, that's juicy. So good, it's not too spicy. It's kind of a little sweet and a little sour, this one. I think they vary on the spiciness, but those come with these grilled vegetables, capsicum, onion, soup good. Definitely get your chicken chili fix on in Nepal. So we've got our special thakali set here, so I don't even know where I'm gonna start. I think I'm supposed to use my hands, but I'm just gonna go spoon. So he dipped some like from a teacup. I don't know if it's like oil on the rice, but let's taste the rice first. Right, solid rice. Let's taste these greens. Standard greens. What do we got here? Oh yeah, that's good. That's a potatoey curry flavour. Now this one looks good. So what do we have here? Some type of vegetable. That's like, ooh, I'm tasting like ginger, cinnamon. Getting all the flavours coming in. So in here we got our meat curry. Oh, so it's still on the bone. Ooh, look at that. I'm gonna just dig in. Alrighty, so we got interrupted there by the zipline tour. They picked me up earlier, so but that last one we tried, I think that was chicken. It was pretty tender. Let's get some of the sauce from it. See, I don't know what like spices they are, but it's good. But look at this one. This one looks like a spicy one. I think this is mutton. Taste some of the sauce. Try and get some of the meat. I'm gonna have to use my hands for this. Here we go. Right off the bone. So I think that was the mutton. That was super good. And then we got this one. I think I know what this one is. This is like the lentils. Oh, I don't know, to be honest. Ooh, that's a strong flavour. It's like a lentil, earthy. Yeah, look at that. What's that? I don't know. That's a strong flavour, like an earthy lentil type flavour. And then I think I've had this one before. It's kind of like a yogurt. Oh damn, that's fresh. It's got like apples in it. It's like a yogurt. Well, I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting more like a sour cream type go, but that has a cooling sensation. Wow. Okay, so what we got? What do we have here? It's like a jam. It's like a jam. I'm not sure what it is. It is a jam. That's like some type of strawberry type jam. What's this next one here? It's like a little fruit, kind of sweet. It's got some spice to it as well. And then we got the probably just a chili type sauce. Oh, that spice, that's got a kick to it. So overall, we've got an assortment here. It's super good. I enjoy it all. Good balance of flavors. And yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this thakali special set. And I gotta say, this is a good restaurant, good value for money, good service. So you gotta hit the showing up if you're in Lakeside. So that was a solid feed there, cost 1,220. So for all that food, that's some good value. So yeah, I recommend going to the more local joints. You're gonna get some good authentic foods, Indian foods, Tibetan foods, the Nepalese food. And it's way better value than these hyped up Western restaurants. Anyway, got the zipline coming up. So it was supposed to be at 3, but now it's at 2. That's when the person called me when I was in the restaurant. So yeah, the zipline costs 6,500. So that's more expensive than the paragliding, but I think this should be more chill. It's supposed to be pretty damn epic. It's supposed to be like one of the longest, fastest zip lines in the world. I read you can go up to speeds of like 120 km an hour, so it should be pretty damn epic. Yeah, zip lines aren't scary, and the paragliding, you may feel it's scary, but the takeoff, you just sort of walk and run and then you're off. But anyway, we're going there soon, so we'll catch you when we do. So they were supposed to pick me up at 2 o'clock. It's 2:20 now, so I know what they're doing, but I might have to give them a buzz. I don't think this is acceptable. Unbelievable.
Hello, namaste.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay, so we're approaching the platform here. There it is. 1,850 meters. And is it 600 meters drop?
Yep.
Here we go. Do you do the bungee jump from here as well?
Bungee from the landing side, sir.
Okay.
When you reach the landing, there is a bungee station.
Do you know how high the bungee jump is?
Maybe around 75 meters. You stay gently in harness here. Don't lean back and don't go front also. Okay,
Don't lean back.
Yep, and don't go front also.
Yep.
Okay, sir?
Got the GoPro.
Okay, sir. What's your name, please?
Jared.
How are you feeling, sir?
I'm feeling good.
Okay, zipline is
ready.
very important. We hope you will enjoy a lot and have a nice ride, sir.
I
Brake
will.
is most important. So when you see the
The white
white
flag.
flag, don't miss to pull the
Pull
brake
this one
yourself
hard.
very highly, okay?
Yep.
Okay, sir. Enjoy your ride. Okay, Karma, we're ready to go. Close that. Okay, sir. Again, have a nice day. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Open.
We did it, boys. So zipline is all complete and definitely the best zipline I've done. You go pretty damn fast, like the wind's going in your face, you can barely keep your eyes open, you're going that fast, but it's pretty incredible that. But we're done, and the photos, videos, I paid 1,500 extra, so they get emailed. There was a GoPro above your zipline setup, and then there was cameras, but I think my face was like this the whole time because of the wind. So we've got this shirt here, size large, and we've got a little certificate, and then there's a little cafe while you wait for your vehicle to pick you up. So pick me up some extreme energy drink. Not sponsored, because you already know I'm sponsored by Red Soul, whatever it's called. I can't pronounce it, but anyway, let's taste this beverage. So we've got the extreme energy drink going down classic. Kind of tastes like a more fruity Red Bull. Not bad. Fish rating, it's 8, 7.6.